with the help of particular figure. Let's see. So we are drawing the crystal field theory. This is the metal. Then we are having the magnetic field surrounding the metal. This is the negative magnetic field surrounding the metal. Then we are having the splitting of d orbitals when metal is surrounded by ligand. Metal is surrounded by ligand, then splitting is done. In octahedral complex compound. So this is the first explanation that we are going to discuss. So when metal is in free gaseous form, then d orbitals having the generally 5 d orbitals having the same energy. Negative magnetic field is produced surrounding the metal even though d orbitals having stable energy. It is degenerates. But when ligand is arranged surrounding the metal, d orbitals splitting. When ligands is arranged surrounding the metal, d orbital splitting means what? According to crystal field theory, it means ligand plays an important role for the splitting of d orbitals. It means ligand is forming ionic bond with metal. Generally ligand is negative ion or ligand may be neutral polar molecule, and when having the bond, that bond is from ionic bond according to CFT. So what happens when we are having the crystal field theory in octahedral complex compound? So now we are going to discuss new explanation related to crystal field theory or crystal field splitting in octahedral complex compound. What happens? So we are having all 5d orbitals like this. This is 5d orbitals having the same energy level. So here I am writing d of xy, d of yz and d of zx. I am writing over here d of x square minus y square and dz square. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Energy level will go up. Here is energy. What happens? This is the free metal ion. This is the free metal ion. So this is also having not energy level splitting, all 5d orbitals here. Average energy level, average energy of d orbitals. Now we are having the barometer. 2 orbitals will go upside, 3 orbitals will lose energy. This is the barometer. Barometer. This is the EG. This is the T2G. What happens? This explanation is very most important. So we are going to discuss about the crystal field splitting in octahedral complex compound. So what is happened in octahedral complex compound and when d orbitals get splitting? Very most important to be discussed. So if it is octahedral complex compound, there must be 6 ligand. There must be 6 ligand attached to metal ion. Then we'll shape octahedral. What happens? So d orbitals having electron, that is negative. A ligand is donating electron. This is ligand's electron. This is d orbitals ligand. D orbitals electron. When electron is transferred to d orbitals, electron is negative charge. This electron is negative charge. So electron of ligand and electron of d orbitals, both are the negative charge. So we'll get repulsion. Will get repulsion. Then what happens? So two d orbitals are present on axis. These two d orbitals are dx square minus y square and dz square. Dx square minus y square and dz square are present on axis. Will get more repulsion and will get energy, repulsion energy, and will transfer to more energy level, means splitting is possible when ligand's electron are going to metal's d orbitals electron. Same charge electron will get repulsion. 2 d orbitals of metal, that is dx square minus y square and dz square, are present on axis. It is on axis. dx square minus y square and a dz square. So it will get more repulsion, and due to repulsion energy, d orbitals will get splitting, and 2 d orbitals, this is dx square minus y square and dz square. Dx square minus y square and dz square. These 2 d orbitals above the barometer, it gets energy, that is to be said Eg. So splitting energy is denoted by delta 0. So energy of delta 0 is increased when repulsion is very high, while three d orbitals dxy, dyz and dzx are present in between axis. These are on axis, while these three orbitals are in between axis. So repulsion will done very less, so it will lose energy and will transfer to less energy level. This is T2G. So T2G having three spell, three alphabet. T2G, there are three alphabet T2G, so there are three. Here are two alphabet EG, then there are